Hello to all. We're going to be taking a look at a new placard for your plate carriers. This one is from Shaw Concepts, the ARC Placard V2. It is similar to other placards out there from like Haley, Spiritus systems, where it's a little bit more modular. You can choose what kind of inserts you want, take them in and out, and you're not stuck with one particular kind of magazine. You can have your AR-15 subgun, AR-10 type magazines. I'm going to be placing it on this plate carrier here today, my scale tack. It's going to be replacing this LBX placard right here. Just stay tuned for the unboxing, the unbagging, and the features of this placard. So this placard right here cost me $40. It was on sale, down from $50. Shaw sent it out pretty quickly the day after I ordered and got here maybe in 2 days after that. So maybe about 3 or 4 days after order. So inside the bag just came in a standard USPS little envelope. The placard, got the little receipt here, and inside here you have a sticker and just a little thank you card with a interesting looking logo. I'll be using this on my safe. And here is the placard. So as you guys can tell, it is in multicam black. So for $40, you actually get a nice feature-filled placard here. And at $40 also, you come in lower than all the other placards out there from Ferro, Spiritus, Haley. You're looking at probably about $65 to $80 for those. And then on top of that, you have to buy the inserts and stuff like that. Speaking of the inserts and everything, I wasn't aware, but the Shaw Concepts here does not use the same inserts as the Haley or the Spiritus Systems one. So on the inside, on the left side here, you have the loops, and then you have the hooks on this side. So I want to get an insert, and this is compatible with the Ferro Concepts, my bad, with the Spiritus Systems and the Haley, and this is all hooks on both sides. So you see here with the microfight from Spiritus, you have the soft part on the front and on the back, and on here it is different. So as you can see, this will stick together. So when you're going to buy your inserts and everything, just keep that in mind. But I don't think that's going to be a real big issue. You could easily just buy some little Velcro patches to put over it to kind of mate it up. But for right now, this is just a placeholder. I ended up getting the AK mag inserts from Hugo Industries. I'm waiting for those to get there. I'll have to do something like that again with this to make sure it works. So starting on the front, you have a whole bunch of real estate, which will allow you to attach different molle accessories right there. On the sides, you have two different things going on right here. One, you have some little elastic bands. Here, you're able to put some glow sticks, pins, decompression needles, knife pins, whatever you want on the side right here. And back here, you have your loops for your first spear tubes. If you want to connect it directly to your cummerbund, you have that option for both sides there too. And I'm guessing also if you want to turn this into a little chest rig as well, get something to lay across the back, get you some little buckles there, go across the top and everything, and you can set yourself up a chest rig. On the back, this is adjustable for your height, so if you want to sit a little bit lower, sit a little bit higher, take that off, run that up a little bit higher, lay it back down, and you can adjust the height of your placard. Take a look at the inside. It is about 5 inches deep and 9 inches across. So there are some plate carriers, or placards rather, that can accept 3 SR25 mags across. This is just a double, and this will fill it up. So your triple, you'll have to get something bigger like the Mark V, something like that will be able to take them all. On the top, it is cut. If you guys are jumping out of helicopters, anything like that, you can attach little shock cords and everything to grip your magazines and have a little bit extra retention other than just the insert. At the bottom, you have two little drainage holes right there, as well as more elastic, which will accept a tourniquet down here. So I'm gonna put my inserts in, got a tourniquet, I'll find something else, and I'm going to go on and set this up and throw it on the plate carrier. All right, so I have the Arc 2 all kitted out here. On the left, my left, I have a glow stick, Sharpie on the right side, tourniquet on the bottom. And I do like the addition to this of the sleeve to this placard. Usually on some other placards, you might be looking at a $35 to $50 charge for getting other mounting equipment to put one on to your placard. But here, $50 regular price, $40 on sale. It comes standard. That's a nice little addition there. I have two different types of magazines. Both are SR25. I have the 25 round PMag here, the 20 round PMag, so you guys can see how they sit. And then I just have another little utility pouch on the side that has this Mark V flashlight right there. I did already adjust the height of it a little bit. Nice, easy little clip in. It should be easy. Lay it down on the placard, let the Velcro engage, and there you go. So I have access to everything. Fits nice, even though this is just a black plate carrier. The black camo, multi-cam is not an issue. And this is a DD5V1 right here. And the drawing, as you can see, it's not bad whatsoever, even with the connection issues, with the incorrect insert. Nothing wrong there. And with the other one, still no issue there with the wrong insert. So able to draw my magazines, no issue. And other things are there as needed. So right off the bat, I do like the way this plate carrier looks, the style, the accessories, and definitely the price when compared to something, you know, like this. Is just a little bit more. I do think it kind of looks a little better. The Microfight Mark V right here. I'm still working on building this one out, but so far it looks nice. Eventually, I'll go through all the placards I have, compare, contrast them, let you guys know which ones I like the best. But until then, just stay tuned for the other videos. Look out for the other placards. I have about 2 or 3 more on the way. I'll let you guys know what I think about them. Take care.